Food is a fundamental part of our daily lives, providing important nutrients for our health. Although many foods provide essential nutrients and contribute to our general well-being, there are some foods that can harm us and cause food poisoning if we eat incorrectly or in excessive quantities. In this video, we will explore 7 common foods that can be harmful, or even deadly if you eat them wrong. Cassava. Cassava, also known as yucca, is a starchy root vegetable widely consumed in tropical regions. However, it contains cyanogenic glycosides, which can release toxic cyanide when ingested. In its raw form, cassava can be extremely poisonous, causing symptoms such as headache, dizziness and even death. To make cassava safe to eat, it must be properly processed, soaked and cooked. Traditional methods involve peeling the cassava, soaking it in water to remove the cyanide and then cooking it thoroughly. Brown rice. Brown rice is a staple in the diet because of its nutritional value, providing fiber, vitamins and minerals. However, it is important to be aware of its arsenic content. Arsenic is a natural element found in soil and water. Rice, especially brown rice, tends to absorb more arsenic than other grains. Prolonged exposure to high levels of arsenic may increase the risk of certain health problems, including cancer and cardiovascular disease. To reduce your risk, it's advisable to rinse brown rice well before cooking and consider incorporating a variety of grains into your diet. Bitter almonds. Almonds are known for their health benefits, but bitter almonds contain a compound called amygdalin, which can release cyanide when metabolized. Eating raw bitter almonds or large amounts of processed bitter almond products can lead to cyanide poisoning. While sweet almonds are typically safe to eat, bitter almonds are regulated due to their potential toxicity. To avoid risks, it is important to eat bitter almonds in moderation and be aware of products that contain them. Green potatoes. Potatoes are a staple in many diets around the world. However, when potatoes turn green, they can become dangerous to eat. This green color indicates the presence of a toxic compound called solanine, which is also found in potato sprouts. Solanine can cause a range of symptoms including nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and in severe cases, coma and death. To avoid solanine poisoning, it's important to store potatoes in a cool, dark place and to cut away any green portions or sprouts before cooking. Kidney beans. Kidney beans are a protein-rich legume used in various dishes worldwide. However, they contain lectins, which are proteins that can interfere with the absorption of nutrients and cause digestive issues. Raw or undercooked kidney beans can contain high levels of lectins, potentially leading to severe discomfort, nausea, and vomiting. To neutralize lectins and make kidney beans safe to eat, they must be properly soaked and cooked at a high temperature. Cherry pits. Cherries are delicious and healthy fruits loved by many people, but their pits contain a toxic compound known as amygdalin, which can release cyanide when ingested. Swallowing cherry pits or crushing them to extract the pit can be dangerous, especially if done in large quantities. While eating a single pit is unlikely to be lethal, it is best to avoid intentionally consuming cherry pits and simply enjoy the delicious fruit itself. Nutmeg. Nutmeg, a spice known for its warm and aromatic flavor, might seem harmless in small amounts. However, consuming excessive quantities of nutmeg can have toxic effects on the body. Nutmeg contains myristicin, a compound that, in large doses, can cause hallucinations, convulsions, and even death. While nutmeg is typically used in small quantities as a spice, there have been cases of misuse, often driven by the desire for its hallucinogenic effects. The seemingly harmless foods mentioned above highlight the importance of proper preparation, cooking, and consumption practices. While these foods can pose risks, they can also be enjoyed safely when handled with caution and awareness. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods is key to maintaining good health. If you have specific concerns about any food or dietary restrictions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized guidance. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.